Hey YouTube, my name is Allie and I'll be showing you how to style your hair accessories. First, we're starting with a really simple look. Can you even see this? Like, it literally matches my background. Maybe this will help. Okay, there we go, there we go. You get the picture. And here is the finished look. Next, we're using our flower charms, and these are by far my favorite out of them all. Here I have in box braids. I do have a tutorial on this style, so make sure you check that out. I did this style last, but I put it first because I really loved it that much. Make sure to check out my tutorial where I make all 7 of these flower crafts and hair accessories. I think the flower charms are a great twist on your usual gold charms, which you typically see on box braids. So the first look is super simple with your hair down. Now I have a little ponytail on top and I'm lining up the flowers to look like a sort of headband or hair tie on my ponytail. Here I put a little more flowers on the ends of my braids to spice it up a little bit. Now I have this ninja bun in and I am just placing the flowers around the bun. And of course you can put your flowers in the front and back of your hair, but I'm only demonstrating the front. I wish all my braids could fit in one bun because I think that would be so cute with all the flowers on a big bun. Now I have in my afro. This is like day 1 hair, so I really wish it was a little fuller and had more volume, but it's pretty flat in my opinion. I got this idea of adding charms to the flowers because I saw a lot of naturals just placing fake flowers in their hair for a photo, but with the charms you can move your head around without them falling out. This is the same flower charms, but just a little larger for my naturals with bigger hair or fuller afros. Because you may not want those small flowers to just drown in your hair. This style is really simple, but I wanted to incorporate it. Now we have our Mickey Mouse buns. You can have a braid in the front of your hair and place flowers on top. Or you can put flowers in your buns. And I don't really use gel in my hair, so these styles are pretty frizzy, but feel free to slick down your hair as much as you like. Here I have a ponytail on top and 2 braids on the sides of my face. And the way I put the flowers in, it kind of looks like earrings. And I use the same method with my braids of lining my ponytail with flowers to look like a hair tie. Here I pull down the flowers a little bit so they don't look like earrings. Now I have my afro out with 2 braids in the front, and I'm lining that crown braid with flowers. I really love this style too. Here I'm showing you how you can shake your head and they won't fall off. So they're very secure hair clips. This is by far my favorite style out of probably all of them besides the braids. It's like a little flower bush on the back of your head. You got business in the front and party in the back. Here we have a puff and bang. And my puff is pretty flat, so I have the bang out to make it look a little cuter. But you can just wear your puff with the flowers as well. This is the same style but using larger flowers, again for my girls with bigger hair. Next we have the wire half crown. Of course you can do the basic look of having your hair down with the crown on top, although I would recommend you pull your hair through the wire or through the elastic so that it isn't squishing your hair. But this would be cute with straight hair or curly. Now we're back to this puff and bang. Just really simple, cute styles. I don't know why I love to flick my hair so much. Like, it's my favorite thing ever. Here we're back to the Mickey Mouse buns with our flower half crown in front. Now we have the elastic full hair tie. And I'm starting with a bun and bang. Again, you can have a slick top knot or, very laid hairstyle. But these are just really lazy styles without the gel. Here I have a bun with the flower hair tie. And my bun is a little crooked. Now we have a low bun with two hair pieces out. And I'm using the hair tie to spice up my low puff. And this is just a view from the back. Now we have the elastic hair ties, which are half crowns. And I'm starting with a pony on top. I love this look because it reminds me of those 90s type of wavy fabric hair ties that people wear. So this is like that, but with a twist. And of course you could do this style also with a bun on top. Here I have two pigtails. Is even? I wonder how old I look with these. I honestly feel like I look 16 with this style. I'm just taking my ponytail and pinning it up to make a bun. And I have my bang out again, of course, because my hair is flat and I just didn't feel like pulling my bang back. But you could wear the hair ties along with just your buns or puffs. Next we have the wire half crown, which is a rose version. And it's exactly like the sunflower crown, but just a rose version. And again, you can wear your hair down. Okay, I know I love pink and that's why all my crowns are pink, but I really should have rethought how the colors I make, but hopefully you can see them. The main difference with this crown is that it sits at an angle. You can wear a puff with your half crown. My puff looks so bad right here. I don't know why it's so flat and lopsided. It looks a mess, but I had to insert another photo of how my puff truly looks. Now we have the elastic half crown, and we're back to the low puff. You can use this as a hair tie. It's just a larger version. You can wear this with your hair down, like a hippie look, or you can just wear it on the crown of your head as a headband. So these are all very simple looks just to give you an idea of what you can do with these 7 flower accessories. I hope I gave you new ideas to spark your imagination. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.